Student, yesterday we are discussing about the semiconductor energy band in solid. Today we discuss the difference between the conductor, insulator and semiconductor on the basis of energy band theory. Energy band theory. In according to energy band theory, conductor is defined as in conductor, either there is no energy gap between conduction band which is partially filled with electron and valence band, or the conduction band and valence band overlap to each other. यानी कि यहाँ पे हम लोग देख रहे हैं फिगर, ऊपर वाला आपका है कंडक्शन बैंड, नीचे वाला क्या है बैलेंस बैंड। कंडक्शन बैंड और बैलेंस बैंड दोनों क्या कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे से ओवरलैप कर रहे होते हैं। तो जब ओवरलैप होता है इसका मतलब बैलेंस बैंड का जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो ऑलरेडी कंडक्शन बैंड में है, और जब वो ऑलरेडी कंडक्शन बैंड में है इसका मतलब यह हुआ कि यह आपका एक करंट कैरियर का काम कर रहा है। सिमिलरली फॉर द इंसुलेटर देयर इज सो मैनी गैप between the conduction band and valence band which energy gap is greater than 3 electron volt. Therefore no current flowing through the insulator. And in semiconductor, energy gap between the conduction band and valence band is less than 3 electron volt, less than 3 electron volt. Therefore due to thermal agitation, electron from the valence band is jump into the conduction band. Electron of valence band jump into the conduction band, due to which semiconductor act as the conductor. Semiconductor means that those material substances whose conductivities lies between insulator and conductor. There are two type of semiconductor. On the basis of purity, semiconductor can be classified as intrinsic semiconductor and extrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic semiconductor means it is a pure semiconductor without any significant dopant species present in this. यानी कि Na is equal to NH is equal to Ni. That means Ne and NH are the number of density of electron and hole respectively, and Ni is called intrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic concentration carrier and intrinsic semiconductor is also called undoped semiconductor or I-type semiconductor. The total current I is the sum of the electron IE and hole current IH. I is equal to IE plus IH, where IE is equal to electron current, IH hole current. Okay.